All right, you're doing 12 boxes, 15, 16 Court Kings. Thank you, everyone. That's what I thought. Bob was just gonna pay for you. What was going on with that, Bob? Were you paying for him, or did you just want to buy him? Oh, for him? Okay. Dante Exum base. Robin Lopez to 25. Bobby Portis for the Bulls. And DePaul. For the Heat, Justice Winslow. That is Dub M. Out of 299, Jared Sullinger. And Jomon. And 299, Terrence Ross for the Rockets. As DePaul, Rozier, and Oubre. All right, box 2. Vince Carter base. Rozier for the Celtics. Steph Curry. And Ilgauskas to 99. That is Hawks in to win. David Robinson, 199. And Betty White. And Cameron Payne, 199. And Dash. Justin Anderson, Sam Decker. Correct. All cards ship out of this. All right, box 3. Kevin Durant. Gerald Henderson. Kyrie Irving, tie-dye for the Cavs. And Hawks in to win. Stanley Johnson for the Pistons. And sports card opener. Danny Green, 299. And Betty White. And Aaron Gordon for the Magic. As into Paul, Anderson, and Okafor. Where are the Towns? Put the Johnson next to the balls. Ginobili, base. Kevin Durant, out of 100. Draymond Green. And out of 40, Tristan Thompson for the Cavs. Whoa. And a Moutier jersey. Cavs are Hawks in to win. That is Paul Nunez. Anderson and D'Angelo Russell. Seems like it goes in spurts. That first one was all Lakers. Last night was Celtics. Tonight's Cavs. Anthony Davis. Isaiah Thomas. Russell Westbrook. And Pat Connaughton for the Blazers. As Husker TB. Eric Bledsoe, $2.99. And TG Cardman. Hunter and Payne. Coach Connaughton. Trainer. Kevin Durant. Carmelo. Zach LaVine. And for the Grizzlies, Jarrell Martin. That is Addicted. $2.99 Giannis. And $2.99 Miles Turner. Desert Eagle on the Giannis. And Buckshot on the Turner. Porzingis for the Knicks. Is he related to True Blood? I haven't been keeping track. I think these two would be from the last case. Brandon Knight. Yeah, it was the fresh paint. Damari Carroll. DeMarcus Cousins. And for the Wizards, Kelly Oubre. And top notch. $2.99, Draymond Green. And Bry. Anthony Brown and Hollis Jefferson. Need a Booker? LeBron? Bogdanovich? Anthony Davis? And for the Bulls, Bobby Portis. That is Enda Paul. $2.99, Stanley Johnson. Damari Carroll. That is Addicted. Towns rookie. And Rashad Vaughn. Two patch autos of Booker today. Wiggins. Jamal Crawford. Out of 100. Dwayne Wade. And $1.99, Dan Izzo for the Nuggets. That is Paul Nunez. Kawhi Leonard, $2.99. And Betty White. Brandon Dawson and Anthony Brown. Kawhi Leonard. Jahlil Okafor. Kemba Walker. And Fournier for the Magic to 25. That is Enda Paul. 1 out of 25. DeAndre Jordan. And Alex English. Moutier and Hazonia. And Kevin Durant. Tyreek Evans. James Harden to 25. 18 out of 25. And Willie Cauley-Stein. That is addicted. And Grant Hill, 4-color. I can explode out of there. That is sports card opener. Jarrell Martin and Joe Young. Alright, last box. I don't even know if we'll get the box topper. Might have left it behind. Because you had to get it. It was Pistons on Hill. Yeah, you had to buy it direct from Topps, say. I don't think we're going to get the box topper. Jason Kidd. Dion Waiters. Oubre to 100. Wiggins. And Bogdanovich to 25. As Reyes, JM1. Lillard. And Husker. Porzingis and Lyles. All right, it was Bogdanovich, Lillard, Porzingis, Harden, Willie Cauley-Stein, Grant Hill, Fournier, Jordan, Izzo, Kawhi Leonard, Portis, Stanley Johnson, Damari Carroll, Towns, Oubre, Draymond Green, Jarrell Martin, Giannis, Miles Turner, Porzingis, Connaughton, Bledsoe, Tristan Thompson, Moutier, Kyrie Irving, Stanley Johnson, Green, Gordon, Steph Curry, Ilgauskas, David Robinson, Cameron Payne, Lopez to 25, the Portis 1 per case, Winslow, Solinger, and Terrence Jones. Thanks again, guys. Thank you for bidding. Thank you for joining.